Log in to your Aeries student portal. On the left menu, select Classes, and then select Course Request Entry. Once you are on the Course Request Entry page, make sure that you're scheduling for the correct grade level. In this little blue box up here, you'll see scheduling for grade and then the grade level there. This should be the grade that you're going to be in next year. So this current student is an 11th grader and we're scheduling for senior year. If you are in 10th grade, it should say grade 11 since you're scheduling for your junior year. To select your English course, go to the Filter Courses section on the right side of this page. Under the subject area drop-down menu, select English. Once you select that, you will see your 12th grade English course options below. You have English 12, Year WC, or AP English Literature. Go ahead and click on the course, select Request Primary, and it should show up on the left-hand side under the English category to confirm your selection. If you made a mistake, go ahead and click on the trash can and click on the correct course. Request primary again, and it should show up on the left. To select your history class for senior year, go back to the subject area drop-down menu and select social studies. You'll see all of the options for your history classes listed below. Government and econ are both semester-long electives, so they will automatically switch to the other class during second semester. Go ahead and make your selection, click on the class, click on Request Primary, and the class should show up on the left. You may have already completed your 2 years of math required for graduation or the 3 years minimum for college. However, if you are interested in continuing your math classes, go to the subject area drop-down menu and click Mathematics. Under this category, you will see all of our upper level mathematics classes. If you still need a lower level math class, go ahead and click on the drop-down menu and select Algebra 1AB, which is down below at the bottom. Here you will see the Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2 class options. Select your class by clicking on the name of the course, Request Primary, and it should pop up on the left side under one of the subject areas. Although you may have completed your science requirements, if you're interested in taking another science course, go to the subject area drop-down menu and select physical science if you would like a physical science course. These are the courses that are physical sciences. Or click on biological science and you'll see our biological science options. Select your class by clicking the name of the class, Request Primary, and it should show up on the left if you've been successful. To select a PE class, go to the subject area drop-down menu and select Physical Education. Here you will see your PE options as well as sports that are in season or conditioning in the fall. Go ahead and make your selection and confirm by requesting primary. If you are interested in a dance class, you must go to the subject area drop-down menu and select Fine Arts. Here you will see Dance 1, 2, and 3 listed under this category. If you have not yet completed your health and careers requirement for graduation and you are interested in taking the 0-period health and careers class next year, go to the subject area drop-down menu and select health/careers. In this category, you will see the health and careers class that you need to select. If you select any of the other categories in the subject area drop-down, you will notice that there are no classes or the incorrect classes populated there. So make sure you select health/careers and select the upper level health class by requesting primary. There are several different ways that you can add an elective to your course requests. If you need a fine arts class, go to the subject area drop-down menu and you're going to select the fine arts category, which is about 2/3 of the way down. When you click Fine Arts, you will see all of the courses listed below that are fine arts courses. If you need a practical art class, go ahead and select Practical Arts under the subject area drop-down menu, and you'll see all of the practical arts classes we offer. Remember, if you're taking a language other than English, the third year of the language will count as your practical arts requirement. If you need an elective that is neither a fine art nor a practical art, go ahead and select Electives, which is the last category on the subject area drop-down menu. Here you will see the languages other than English that we offer, as well as other electives that you may be interested in. Go ahead and click on the name of the course and select Request Primary, and you'll see the course pop up on the left. You will also need to select if you would like a zero-period class, which starts at 7 a.m., or if you would like a regular schedule that goes from period 1 through 6. If you are interested in a zero-period class, go to the drop-down menu and select Show All Courses and click Search. Once you click Search, you'll see all of the classes offered at Burroughs listed below. You'll want to go to the third page, so click number 3, or you can click Next twice, and you'll see that you have the option here of Unscheduled Period 0 and Unscheduled Period 6. If you do not want a zero-period class and you do not want a 7 a.m. class, go ahead and click Unscheduled Period 0 and request as primary. If you would like a zero-period class and would like your schedule to go from 0 period to 5th period, click on the Unscheduled Period 6 class option and then request as primary. If you would like 7 classes, then don't select either the 0 period or the 6th period unscheduled option. Once you have selected all of your courses, you should have a total of 7 classes that show up on the left side of your page under Primary Course Requests. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total. If you are missing a class, go back and select those classes.